format painting, copy, cut and paste. First, you select H6 and click copy and select E6 and paste. You can see in the copy paste in E6 and H6 the name. And next one is click the H6 word used and click the cut and select E6 and paste it and select H6 and click the paste button. You can see in the copy paste the name in the E6 and H6, but you can see in the cut paste only in H6. Bye friends, good night. In the next week you will learn another options. Please like our video and subscribe our channel.